Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to Chapter by Chapter, the place where we dive deep into the secrets of success and power. Today, we've got a surprise for you. If you've ever wondered how the most influential people in history have wielded their power, you're in for a treat. I'm talking about Law 8 from Robert Greene's iconic book, The 48 Laws of Power. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the strategies and insights that can transform your life. All right, folks, buckle up because this law is a game changer. In the first 5 seconds, Greene sets the stage by revealing a powerful truth about power dynamics. He says, make other people come to you. Use bait if necessary. Instantly, our curiosity is piqued. What does he mean by bait, and how can we apply this principle in our own lives? Greene argues that in a world where everyone is striving for attention and recognition, there's immense power in being the one who doesn't chase after it. Instead, become the irresistible force that draws others in. It's about the seductive power of passivity. Imagine being the magnet, not the metal. Now here's the twist. This isn't about being indifferent or aloof. It's about mastering the art of selective engagement. Greene urges us to carefully choose when to be active and when to play the waiting game. It's like setting a trap, using bait strategically to entice those you want to influence. At its core, Law 8 teaches us that in any power dynamic, the one who controls the need is the one who holds the power. By making others come to you, you control the dynamics, and by extension, you control the game. It's a lesson straight from the playbook of history's most influential figures. So here's the deal, my friends. Whether you're navigating the corporate world, building your own empire, or striving for personal growth, Law 8 is your secret weapon. Harness the power of making others come to you, use bait if necessary, and watch how it transforms your life. Before we wrap this up, don't forget to drop a comment below with your thoughts on Law 8. How are you planning to apply this in your own journey? And of course, hit that like button if you found this video valuable. Until next time, stay powerful, stay influential, and I'll catch you in the next one.